We're looking for the kitty cat bow. Where's the kitty cat bow?
Idea.
And your hand is on it. It doesn't show up. Oh, there's the kitty cat bow. There it goes again. That is one styling little girl. Not too hard. That's a girl. Hey, here, what are you doing? Just push a little bit. Push. Push. There you go. Don't push too hard or it's going to knock you over. You can push from the front. Yeah, that's a good idea. Once you push from the front. Mm-hmm. Hannah's pushing Allison in the swing. What a big girl. She's being so gentle. She is. She's being so gentle. What'd you get, Hannah? What'd you get, little crawfish?
Next house. Nerds. Next house. Nerd.
Mm-hmm. Reese's. I like Reese's.
No.
One piece, Hannah.
You got a jawbreaker.
Oh, gosh.
I know.
Reese's. Hannah, you're getting the wrong stuff, darling.
You got a jawbreaker.
Hey.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Next house.
Stay on the sidewalk, Hannah. You're not on the sidewalk. This is Miss Allison Kathleen, 5 months old, visiting her grands. Going to town on those toes. Those good toes.
Newborn. What if she made it? June, July, September, October? You're 5 months old. Yes, you are. Beautifiers or whatever they call them. She's on the leg beautifier.
Leg beautifier.
Do a darn thing.
She's doing her leg exercises. Get those toes, girl. Shove them in your mouth.
I'll cough. I'll make you laugh. My stomach.
She's not laughing.
Oh, well, good.
Eat that foot. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Get it all in there. Get it all in there. Izzy. Hey. Hey, Allison. Allison. Hello.